Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your LinkedIn account using the LinkedIn mobile application. So let's get started. First of all, go ahead and make sure that you've installed the LinkedIn application on your device and then launch it open. In the welcome screen of LinkedIn, if you don't have an account yet, you can tap on agree and join and follow through the prompts. If you have an existing account which you'd like to sign in, tap on the sign in button at the bottom. In the sign in interface, you will need to type in your email or phone number followed by your LinkedIn account's password. If you don't remember the password, tap on forgot password link and follow through the password reset process. After entering your credentials in the text boxes, tap on sign in. You may also need to do a little security check. If prompted, you'll need to complete it and then you will be able to log in to your LinkedIn account. You can now start networking, searching for jobs, or engaging with content from LinkedIn. That is how it's easily done. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.